Hello everyone, I got a 2013 Honda Accord. It's a 4-cylinder vehicle and I am looking to change the engine air filter. This new Accord, they don't specify. All they say is, hey, look at your maintenance minder and it's going to tell you when to change out the air filter. I was able to find this air filter from a local Honda store, and it's a genuine Honda part, and many times they run specials, and this time around they were running a 25% off. So able to find this filter ending with 800 for about 24 bucks. Online you can find it a few dollars cheaper, but I am not sure about whether they are genuine Honda parts, so I like to be sure, and I like to buy directly from the Honda store. I know I could probably save a couple more dollars on it, but you know how I look at it, that hey, by doing this air filter change out, I'm already saving a bunch of money, so another $2 I'm okay with. So anyway, uh, let's get to changing out the filter. Should be easy, takes no more than 10 minutes. Here's my Honda Accord, and let's get to changing the filter now. Here's the air box. I gotta loosen up this clamps. Easy peasy. Clamps here. Clamp on this side. And I think we're in business. Is it open? Okay. Pull this filter cover up. And here is our old filter. Easy. I'm gonna grab this, pull it out. Let's look at the other side of the filter. Whoa, no, this is really bad. Okay, we are definitely changing out the filter. This is a bad air filter, and it's been less than 30,000 miles. I'm really surprised at how it got so dirty. When I just drive in the city traffic, I don't drive in the countryside. So anyway, I'm glad I'm changing out the filter. This is really bad. As a comparison, I can put the new filter right next to it. You can see the difference. Huge difference. It definitely needs to be changed out. Okay, I'm gonna open this plastic cover and install the filter. Now before I install the new filter here, at least I can do is clean this thing down. Okay, so I have cleaned this air box. At least it's better than what it was before. Not pristine clean, but hey, better. Okay, you got a lollipop. Alright, so I am now going to install this new air filter here. And let me just go and grab that real quick. Install this filter. Alright, son, go ahead. We're going to drop that here. Yep, push that forward a little bit. There you go. And, you know, typically they have a little bit of oil on this filter. So, just to make sure it has a perfect seal. Okay, so just check and make sure it fits well. So I'm checking to make sure it's fit well, and it does. So in terms of installing it, all I gotta do is have these two grooves. Son, if you can, I can have this picture real quick. The grooves on the lower side, on this side of the air box cover. So make sure they go back here. So son, be careful. Alright, there you go. This is fit. Now I'm going to push down from the front and put these clamps back on. Alright, there you go. Alright, so this is completely installed and we are good to go.